turnip greens. Look at that. It's so many of them. We have some itty bitty turnips. We have some absolutely massive turnips. Oh my goodness. We don't have enough row cover, or we don't have enough plastic to go all the way down the row. So we're having to look at where the best section of plants are right now that we think would be worth salvaging and covering over. And I'm thinking towards the middle because that's where it looks like the healthiest plants are. Because at this end they're very small, and then at the other end they've been devoured by bugs. So I'm thinking in the middle. Turnips, I found some more.
Worked in, and these could have been a whole lot shorter, but that was what they had.
I'm just trying to fold this in a little bit.
Is it touching?
Would you like to explain the architectural design?
The architectural design is based on the theory that I grasp at straws to try to salvage even a small portion of the greens we have grown this year. We got them out very late, and normally we don't have this kind of weather. If we're going to have it, it happens in mid to late January or February, and it's always a gamble when your first frost is going to be or when your first hard freeze is going to be. This is turnips, mustard greens, and kale. They are very frost tolerant, but the temperatures we're about to have that are going to go down into single digits, they would not be tolerant of that. Throw the dice and see if we can salvage any of them. Most likely they're all going to die anyway because the temperatures are going to be single digits, and the roots of them and the cell structure of the plant may not be able to, won't be able to survive in that type of temperature. Hopefully we can maintain enough heat that the temperature inside that will stay roughly 20 degrees.
Okay.
We'll see.
Thank you. We also have put dirt around the bottom to try and hold the plastic away from the plants. We slanted the poles underneath to try to keep the plastic from touching the plants because Mom says that'll kill it. So it's a little plant structure. Live, little greens, live.